Hello, have you ever heard about tempura? If not, watch this. Tempura is a Japanese cooking technique involving coating food, such as seafoods or vegetable, in a light butter and deep frying it. Join me as I show you how to make tempura prawns, and here are the ingredients. We need some cornstarch, some marinade for our prawns, and our carbonated drink. It should be chilled. For me, I'm just using soda water, but you can use any carbonated drink, either sparkling water, and an egg. Here we got wheat flour. This is for the dusting, and this another one is our light and crispy butter. And of course, I love using some herbs, and this is a fresh herb dill. And here we have our prawns. First of all, we need to check all our ingredients if are ready. Yes, as I told you, this is what we need for our crispy butter. It should be a little bit light. So for our prawns, first of all, we need to make sure that our prawns are nice peeled, and leave the tip of the prawns peeled and fresh. Then from here we have to make them straight, because most of the time wherever you fry your prawns, they might curl themselves. So for right now, we just have to cut some ligaments across the prawns so that we can make it straight by just cutting that and then pressing it. Don't pressing it harder. When you press it harder, you might just rip it off. Just press it gently so that you can have a straight prawns. So we are cutting the ligaments. You can see a white string. This white string, once it's fried, it makes the prawns to coil, and that's why we just have to cut a little bit of that section and straighten it up. For the rest of the prawns, then let's get in our marinade. It's optional. You can just use salt and pepper and lemon. For me, I love using soy sauce, some orange juice, and some lemon juice, and some dill. So from here we have to crack our egg. We use egg white, not the whole egg. So I just separated the egg white from the egg yolk, and then we give it a very good whisk it until fluffy, and that's how fluffy it can be. You can even go to extent of that, but for me, I just like it this way. Then let's add our flour, cornstarch with our carbonated drink. As I told you earlier, you can use either soda water or sparkling water. For me, I love using the soda water. Then add a little bit of seasoning, salt of course, and then give it a good whisk to form a light butter. As I continue whisking it, let's just get a good sip of that. Ooh, fresh, chilled. And that's your light tempura butter. Easy. For me, just throw a little bit of dill to bring that a little freshness. From there, let's take our prawns, dust them into flour. We dust them with the wheat flour, not the cornstarch, and make sure it coats really nice. Then from there, our butter is ready, and remember, we have got a hot oil ready for dip in. You can just test your oil when it's hot by inserting a toothpick, like that. Then remember, when making tempura prawns, make sure the tail is not coated with flour, because this will form a crispy and a nice color at the tip for holding the tempura. Then let's dig it into the flour, into the oil, like that. Wow. Make sure your hot is not 100%, is not that hot. Medium heat, Yeah, you'll just notice once you fry your tempura prawns or your tempura vegetables, you just find your prawns starting floating. That's a good sign. That's a good sign or good butter. Wow. And that is your crispy tempura prawns. You can feel that. Listen to that crunch, crunchy. And that's how we make our tempura prawns. Guys, if you love this, please don't forget to subscribe, comment and share. Let's meet in the next cooking lesson. For good food, good mood.